everyone, come and join me. Let's draw and color Mike Wazowski, the funny green monster with one large eye. Mike Wazowski works at Monsters Incorporated to help collect laughs. Mike is best friends with Sully, a big furry monster. Who is your best friend? Mike sometimes gets into funny situations, but always finds a way out. Mike Wazowski always believes in himself and never gives up. What's something you never give up on? And now let's add color to Mike. Black is first. Light shade of green comes next. Then, dark shade of green. Next is light shade of red. Then, green. Lastly, gray. Fantastic! Mike Wazowski has little horns and a big smile. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.